Welcome. Today, we're going to dive deep into blockchain.
The technology likely to have the greatest impact on the next few decades has arrived. And it's not social media, it's not big data, it's not robotics, it's not even AI. And you'll be surprised to learn that it's the underlying technology of digital currencies like Bitcoin. It's called the blockchain. Blockchain.
That will fundamentally change how we exchange value. And it's called the blockchain.
The widespread use of social media, banking applications, and emerging technologies is driving an enormous increase in data production, and we must be ready to manage it. It is essential to manage, maintain, and securely share this data. The financial sector is leading the way in data storage and management, continuously integrating new technologies. Blockchain technology, exemplified by the rise of Bitcoin, is a prime example. Blockchain is more than just a tool for digital currency. This research explores blockchain technology in depth, covering its types, architecture, operating principles, and applications, and offers a comparison with traditional database management systems. The findings emphasize the importance of quickly adapting to this secure and decentralized technology. Let's take a closer look at blockchain technology. What is this blockchain? Blockchain technology was first introduced in 2008 and became widely recognized in 2009 with the emergence of Bitcoin. This technology is, in essence, a decentralized ledger. In broader terms, blockchain is a distributed, shared, encrypted, and tamper-proof repository of information designed to be irreversible and secure. Blockchain is a system that verifies and stores all transactions between users on the network. It is a reliable and trustworthy technology, period. In a blockchain system, transactions are recorded in blocks, which are then linked to form a chain. Each block is created in accordance with specific rules and added to the system. Once a block is created, it is distributed across all nodes in the network and added to the ledger. A new block is generated by summarizing the previous block and linking it to the next, creating a continuous chain. This structure guarantees that all blocks are interconnected, making it impossible to alter or delete any recorded information. In the blockchain system, each user is represented by a node. Each node holds a copy of the blockchain ledger, synchronized with other nodes using a peer-to-peer protocol. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and central authorities. If a node fails, the remaining nodes maintain the system's integrity, ensuring all transactions are accurately recorded. In a blockchain system involving multiple parties, every transaction added to the system must be verified to ensure it meets specific rules and criteria. This verification process is known as consensus. Consensus can be reached either through a decentralized process within the system or via a secure external entity. When consensus is achieved within the system, all nodes with a copy of the ledger must agree on the transaction's validity. Once consensus is reached, the transaction is verified and added to the ledger. This method is referred to as a consensus mechanism. The blockchain system is based on several fundamental criteria which are outlined below. Decentralized. One of the primary features of blockchain is that data is not stored in a single location, but rather distributed, recorded, stored, and updated in a decentralized manner. Transparent. The blockchain system allows for transparent recording of data, making it possible to verify the data retrospectively. This is why blockchain is considered a reliable technology. independent. Thanks to the consensus mechanism, each node in the blockchain system can securely transfer data without the need for a central system. Immutable. Once a record is added to the blockchain, it cannot be modified, deleted, or altered in any way. The record is permanently stored and cannot be changed, except in cases of certain types of attacks. Identity. Anonymity. In the blockchain system, nodes can transfer data without revealing their identities. All that is required is knowledge of the node's blockchain address. Blockchain is divided into public, private, and consortium blockchain. Public blockchain. In an open blockchain network, anyone can join without requiring permission. This system operates. In an open blockchain network, anyone can join without requiring permission. This system operates independently and does not rely on a central authority, making it a truly decentralized blockchain. Ethereum, which provides a platform and programming language for creating smart contracts and enabling developers to publish distributed applications, and Bitcoin, are prime examples of this structure. Private blockchain. In a private blockchain system, only authorized users can join the network. Participation in the consensus process within the network can be defined as either publicly available or requiring authorization. If participants in a private blockchain system have partial access to the consensus structure, these systems are referred to as partially permissioned systems. In such networks, a central authority has the power to change rules and reverse transactions. Specialized systems are often implemented to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Examples of this system include Eris Industries, which uses blockchain technology to provide software databases, and Multichain, an open-source distributed database provider for financial transactions. Consortium blockchain. Consortium blockchain networks are recognized as a hybrid between public and private blockchain networks. In this type of network, authorized nodes can be selected by specific individuals or organizations. The data on the blockchain can be either public or private. In a consortium blockchain, the ability to read and write data can be limited to a certain number of nodes. This model is often used by institutions or organizations that collaborate to develop different models. IBM's Hyperledger project is the most prominent example of this type of blockchain network. Before I tell you who owns the blockchain, let me explain why it is called a blockchain. Have you ever wondered why it is called blockchain? The name blockchain comes from the fact that data is stored in blocks, and each block is connected to the previous block, forming a chain-like structure. Thanks to blockchain technology, you can only add new blocks to a blockchain, hence the name blockchain. Wonder who invented this blockchain? Blockchain was launched by Satoshi Nakamoto between 2008 and 2009, and Tapscot's CEO and author, Don Tapscott, says that this new technology and data recording system has the potential to revolutionize the world economy. So is there a future for blockchain technology? Actually, yes. Blockchain technology has both advantages and disadvantages. It is undeniable that blockchain excels in terms of durability, security, and data transfer. However, it is also clear that it has limitations in terms of performance, validation, and querying. The financial sector requires high performance, and this is a significant drawback of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology will transform various industries, including finance, real estate, healthcare, and more. Many companies, including startups and large corporations, are investing in blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has great potential, but it also faces significant challenges, including regulatory issues, scalability, and security risks. To overcome these challenges, we must establish technological, commercial, and legal standards. The development of blockchain technology requires a large number of customers, entrepreneurs, and developers to create a stable ecosystem, and it will happen. There are currently over 1,000 companies focused on blockchain innovation. Blockchain technology will create new opportunities for data analysis, artificial intelligence, and other fields. It will become a major player in the data transfer and security market as the technology continues to evolve. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries. It requires further development, investment, and standardization to overcome its limitations and achieve widespread adoption.